What's up, y'all? Welcome back. Today is Thursday. Last time I saw y'all was probably Monday. Something is different. If you can't tell already, we are back at the apartment gym. Got some news for y'all. Well, really not news, because I've been telling y'all I'm moving. But I also told y'all a while ago, I just got my membership, True Fit. I don't think True Fit is a bad membership, first of all, a bad gym. I just think the people that go there stink. Like, literally. Like, my last gym session, I couldn't breathe, so I left because the niggas around me the must was deadly. So, yeah, I haven't been ever since. I feel like that's really the most traumatic part about. That's probably why I really ain't been feeling like going back, because that shit just smelled so bad. I had to get the fuck, but I worked out Monday. I think that was like the full upper body day or whatever. And then I haven't been in the gym for 2 days. But while I was taking a break from the gym, my membership was supposed to start, because when I first signed up 3 weeks ago, it was like a 3-week trial period, and then your membership starts. But the card I put on file isn't a card that's activated. So I got a notification yesterday saying my membership is not active. So yeah, that's what I'm dealing with. Yeah, membership not active, so we're back at the apartment gym. Today we are going to, I want to do legs, but I don't think I'm strong enough to do legs. It's what? Today's the 4th. I need to be out of here by the 12th. So I can do legs today because I have enough time to get my legs back before I move. So I'll probably do legs today, and then y'all might see me tomorrow. I'm sweating like a bitch because I just got done running for like 20, 30 minutes. I want to get back into running. I don't know. I just miss it. It's just, I feel like when you're running, you're focused, but you're not focused at the same time. Like, you are locked in because you gotta watch your breath, watch what you're thinking about, and all that extra stuff. Try to focus on form. I try to focus on form because I'm very stiff. So while I run, I try to focus on my breath, but not think about what I would think about when I'm not in the gym. And then try to relax my shoulders when I run, because I tend to tense up and shit. So I try to relax my shoulders and relax everything, because I usually tend to tense my abs too. So yeah, I want to get back into running more. I feel like it's like my childhood therapy, and football. But yeah, definitely want to get back into those two things. Mostly running, gym-wise. Plus it's good for cardio since we're not going crazy with the bulk. We're more of a clean, lean bulk right now. Haven't checked my weight in a while. Last I checked, I was at 202 or something. And in mid-March, I was at 220 easy, 215 easy. So yeah, I think I'm gonna stay around the 200-pound neighborhood, mostly because I think that's where my natural body weight stops at, or my natural peak is, without trying to overdo shit with like regular eating, like twice a day, drinking water, minimal activity. I think I'm at 200, but if I was to be a lot active, probably have to eat a little bit more and stuff like that. But I think my base would be 200. Right now, the goal is I feel like it's to get lean, but not like lean. It's just like healthy lean, to where I'm not dirty bulking and eating disgusting food. So it's just a lean to the point of I want my abs back. That's pretty much it. I just want to see my abs. I want to get rid of the puffy face and move into this new location with a positive mindset. Well, yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm probably gonna do some editing after today too, so y'all stay tuned for that. But today, legs, what can we do in the apartment gym? Definitely extensions, definitely curls. My third workout either should be goblet squats, or I think I'll just do goblet squats. But I'll use like the cables instead of the weights, because I don't think the weights, it goes up to like 50 max. So we're gonna do the cables instead of the dumbbells. So yeah, we got extensions, curls. Okay, so we got extensions, curls, and then squats. Goblet squats, to be exact. So yeah, wish me luck. I'm gonna try to slow down. It is legs. I don't really enjoy legs, but I know I need to, so might do some calf raises in between. And let's get into it. Fuck it. All right, so I'm gonna start off here, extensions. I've also been applying for jobs. Still don't have a 9 to 5. Life as a 21-year-old, huh? I don't know, what do other 21-year-olds do right now? Probably wait for Fridays just to go to parties and shit while I'm sitting here stressing about real life and everybody's bills. Oh, fuck, yeah. All right, let's get into the workout, man. We'll see, go. I gotta go blow my nose. Oh, fuck. All right, y'all. Slow and steady wins the works, huh? Oh, fuck. Okay. All right, fuck it. I don't want to take too many breaks. And I also want to, like, really kill my legs today because, oh, shit, I am going to be showing off these legs. All right, so I really got to kill my shit. So I have a pool party shoot on Sunday, which means I got to dress the part, which means hoochie daddy shorts. So I definitely need this pump to last a couple days, but able to be able to walk on Sunday. So we got 3 days to heal, and our 4th day we are strutting our shit and showing these bitches off. So I'm gonna go up and wait, see if I can do it. If not, we'll go back down. Hopefully I ain't no bitch though. Let me see. What the fuck? All right, so that's set number 2 done. I believe I have about 3 more in me before I call it a day here as far as extensions go. Yeah, I think I'll probably do like 3 more, maybe 4, depending on how I do these last couple sets. Then I'm gonna do goblet squats with the cable machine and just load all the weights and go to town. I don't even know how I'm gonna do it, but we'll figure it out. Because I know those 50s aren't gonna be enough. And I don't wanna carry 2 50s because I have to carry like this and it might strain my wrist. So yeah, working out with a disabled, yeah, fuck. But yeah, so far so good. Mental health check, I feel like mentally out of 10, I think I am a solid 4. And I say 4 mostly because of the stress of dealing with all the shit I deal with, uh, parents' bills, my bills, siblings' lifestyle, not getting enough sleep, feeling like nobody's like really appreciative of a nigga right now. Spent most of my day yesterday laying on the ground, just thinking of how to make shit better. Just how. I ain't come up with no ideas yet. All I got so far is keep trying, and eventually something will happen. So, yeah. Mentally, definitely out of 4. Physically, I think I've been liking my body a little bit more. Been looking in the mirror a little bit more, appreciating the work that I've been putting in. So I like that. I would say physically, I am on a scale of 1 to 10, proud of myself. I'll put myself at like a 6. Because I know if I was more consistent, I'll look a lot better. If I ate better, I'll look a lot better. But those things require time I do not have right now. So it's kind of hard. So physical and mental, yeah, that's where we stand. Um, emotionally, I think I'm at like a zip. I feel like, yeah, I'm gonna just tell y'all it's a zip. If you want to hear about that, let me know in the comments. But yeah, life is life, man. No matter what you do, niggas ain't, it's never enough for a nigga. So, fuck it, we ball. God damn it. All right, back to the workout. Stop being a bitch. if I'm gonna do 3 more of them bitches right there. I definitely want to target my outer thigh. I don't really know how to. Maybe if I rotate my foot a certain way. I think that's what I used to do. I'm gonna try that next set. I'm pretty sure I just can't go that heavy. But yeah, I feel like my inner thigh is getting a decent pump. It's only my second work, third set maybe. I'm gonna do a couple sets. I'm gonna see if I can try to target my outer thighs though. And if not, hopefully the goblet squats will hit it. I see the inches coming in, bruv. Fucking A. Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. Yeah, that was hurtful. I don't even know if I'm gonna make it through the fucking workout. I'm gonna do one more here. Off to goblets before I change my mind. I should probably start drinking water at the gym again. This is deadly. Okay. Okay, so, yep, last set, and we're out. Let's find another song first. Oh, God. Don't do this at home. Say I ain't warn you. Oh. All right, so I think this is how I'm gonna do this. Cable down, like this, and then like that. Like a front squat. Like this, and then like this. Like a front squat. Probably side grip. That feels like a bad idea. But we're gonna do it. Might do 3 sets here. Go back on a seat and machine or whatever and do some hamstrings, call it a day. 3 and 3, no more, no less. My legs are shot already. Probably shouldn't have ran before. But yeah, wish me luck. Let me see if I can find a better song. Cause I'm going to need it. Okay, home. Oh, where's new releases at? All right, let's see. I'm gonna start off at 120. Oh shit. I think I'm gonna go up still. I'm gonna do 150. Hopefully I don't die. All right, restart the set counter. 1. Oh God. Oh God. Fuck. Holy shit. Okay. All right. Set 2. Fuck it. Fuck. Last one. One more. All right. Last one. Fuck it. Oh no. Oh God. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's gonna be a pain. Yep. It's a cramp coming.